just reinstalled that bolt. I had to get a new one because this kind of cross-threaded and it wound up going kind of like that. Kind of like that. So took a little bit to get here. Mopart's overstock is the only place I could really find it. I'm sure there's other places, but... And coincidentally, today, so now, if I can get that in, I can get the wheels on and everything torqued up. And this just came today. New hood. So, kind of pumped about that. Just have to take that and get painted along with the half doors and this part of the rockers. I think I mentioned that before. And the tire carrier, which I still haven't opened, which is in here. But other than that, we'll see. That's the update for today. So almost done. Just gotta finish that, and then I'll get the tires on. And Driveshafts should be here tomorrow. So that should be the next time I'm coming back. Bye for now. Adam's Extreme Duty 1350 Driveshafts about to go in.